Coming up next on Legal Nurse Podcast, you'll be able to meet Karyn Buxman, who is a nurse and a neurohumorist. You need to watch the show to find out what a neurohumorist is and why it's so important to maintain your sense of humor as a legal nurse consultant, as a nurse taking care of patients in healthcare. Sometimes the situations that we get into in the clinical area or in our business demand that we maintain our perspective. Karyn, tell our viewer or our listener, what are some of the topics that we covered in your show?
We talked about the effect of stress on the brain and how it can affect us when we're dealing with conflict. We talked about the ways that humor can help us to de-escalate those situations as well. We talked about the use of sarcasm. You may be surprised about that. We also looked at what are the various things that can cause us to go into brain threat. Then we also talked about some ways that you might want to look further into how you can use humor in your practice.
Stay tuned and be sure to come back and watch Karyn Buxman's podcast. It's available on YouTube, on the Legal Nurse Business channel, or on audio channels. You will find out how Karyn's behavior alerted an entire convention center that something drastic was happening to her, and you'll need to find out what that was by watching the podcast on Legal Nurse Podcast coming up next.